Hello everyone, I'm Tom. Welcome to the DIY Science Trends channel. On our channel, you will find hundreds of creative DIY ideas, from simple science experiments to intricate craft projects that you can do right at home. Each video is carefully planned, executed in detail to ensure you can easily follow and replicate the projects.
Hello, I'm Hoang. I will be the one editing the videos after each recording session. Each video is a finished product based on the initial ideas. I use CapCut to piece together small segments of each stage so you can watch it in a seamless and easy to understand manner. Another important part is creating thumbnails, ensuring viewers can understand the content of the entire video that we want to convey.
Since we started, we have received a lot of support and positive feedback from you. It is you who have helped the DIY Science Trends channel grow, and we are always listening and learning to improve our content every day. Now, we are very eager to receive YouTube's support to enable monetization for our channel. This will give us more resources to invest in bigger projects, higher quality content, and bring more exciting experiences to you. We sincerely thank all of you for following and supporting DIY Science Trends over the past time. If you love what we do, please hit the subscribe button and share our channel with your friends. Thank you, YouTube, and thank you all very much.